loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another nail video. Stay tuned if you want to see how I created this gorgeous blue set. So like my previous video, I like to start off with my right hand just so I can get it out the way. And here I'm just gluing on the press-ons that I've selected for each finger with the glue that came with the pack of press-ons. I am using a new set of press-ons that I found on Amazon. These ones are a lot better quality than the previous ones, and they just have a better finish. They are also a lot longer. So after I put them on, I do cut them to the length that I want it to be, and then I'll put on my base gel as well as the pink color, the flesh color that I used in my previous video.
You love me, won't tell me again. Yeah. I need the reassurance every now and then. Love ain't a game full of X's and O's, but I done been played before. I played it safe before. Gave it up to somebody who didn't deserve my body. You gon' have to lend a shoulder. Now we kill this thing over. I believe from big cities, and you gon' take responsibilities. I'm feeling, don't go trade it, that's how we put it. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on. So hold on, don't let me go. Hold on.
So once I finish my base, I begin my design, and for this set, I took a blue color that I had in my collection and mix it in with some white, and then I take that mixed color and add in some more white to achieve the two light blue colors within the whole design, and then I still go back and add the white on its own as well as the blue color on its own. So there are about 4 different shades in there total, and 2 of them are mixed while the other 2 are just their true form. And I'll definitely link everything that I used down below, and feel free to ask me any of your questions in the comment section. I will answer them.
Keep the evil away. 'Cause one spliff a day, keep the evil
So once I finish my design, I go back in with another layer of the pink fleshy tone before I put on my top coat. So this is how my right hand turned out, and now I'm going to repeat the same process for my left hand.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Party in the Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. I'm trucking in the lane, off the brain. I'm going insane. Pick up a chick on the chain, pick up a chick in the plane. Credit to your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Yeah, Cardi got brain on offset. Credit to your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset. Who got this motherfucker started? Who took your bitch at the party? I took your bitch at the party. Who let me blast Martian? Who let them blink in the cut? Who got the bricks in the truck? Then down go hit like a bitch on a bitch ass bitch. Bitch, you don't wanna be caught. Red bottom MJ moonwalk on the bitch. Moonwalking this flick. I'm moonwalking in the six. 50 with the kick. Moonbox in this bitch. I'm from the motherfucking Bronx. I need the pump in the trunk. Bitch, if you bad, then jump. I leave your bitch in the slump. Your bitch won't party with party. Party in the Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. I'm trucking in the lane, off the brain. I'm insane. Pick up a chick on the chain, pick up a chick in the plane. Credit to your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Yeah, Cardi got brain on offset. Credit to your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage too. Signing my savage and ass. High-end cars and fashion. I don't eat pussy, I'm fat. I'm a blood, my brother crippin'. Bitch, I'm drippin', ho, you trippin'. Talk to waitress, I ain't tippin'. I like hot sauce on my chicken. I put a rubber off and I put hot sauce on her tip. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's 10 to 20. Audi VVS and my sperm work me. Bitch so bad, I pop the molly for I can.
Your bitch won't party with party. Party in the Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. I'm trucking in the lane, off the brain. I'm insane. Pick up a chick on the chain, pick up a chick in the plane. Credit to your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Yeah, Cardi got brain on offset. Credit to your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset. Flipping this bitch at your bitch. Fuck up a check at your bitch. Bust at the coupe at the benches. I fuck up a bag at the Bendy. I fuck up a bag in the Bendy. Who you know drip like this? Who you know build like this? I fuck a shit like a dude. Pull up and pop at your crew. Rippin' at you. They say you basic. I pull up the rollie with diamonds. I pull up the paddock with bracelet. I got your bitch and she naked. Ice on the cake when I bake it. I'm such a leads in the range. So for the dick for the brain. So for your bitch for your man. So for the trap for the bang. I said the Cardi be Cardi and brand. Your bitch want party with Cardi. Party in the Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. I'm trucking in the lane, off the brain. I'm insane. Pick up a chick on the chain, pick up a chick in the plane. Credit to your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Yeah, Cardi got brain on offset. Credit to your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi big brain on offset.
So once I'm all done, I go in with a body oil as a cuticle oil and just work it into my nail beds just to give it a little shine, and that's pretty much it.
Tonight I'ma give it to you harder. Tonight I'ma turn your body out. Relax, let me do it how I wanna. If you got it, I need it, and I'ma put it down.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I love how it turned out. It looks really great and they've lasted me quite a while. Let me know what you think down below if you like them, as well as give me some suggestions on other styles that I should try out. I'm really proud at how much better I'm getting at creating these sets. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Boy, you should begin to